weeping maidor for the night, but joy cometh in the morning. The Lord shall come with healing in his wings. Thou hast ascended on high. Thou hast led captive. Thou hast spoiled the minions of death. Thou hast ransomed from the grave, redeemed them from death. Thou art the Lamb that lives and was dead, and is alive forevermore, and has the key to heaven.